Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
So Dr. KETAN Bhatika's Spark as well as HealthMed Homeopathy, we have given more than 1,200 donors till date. I don't know how much we are going to add today. And donate blood, save life, and let's keep empowering and healthy and helping every individual to get blood. And I think donating blood itself is a blessing, so everyone should on their own come and donate blood. So thanks, we would keep, I think we are having another, after 8 days, another blood donation camp in the clinic itself with the Kerala Malayalam Association. And I would request all those who have not donated, please come on your own and donate it. Thanks to JCI Ponda for empowering youth leadership, as well as my wishes to Mr. Varun for his birthday today. It's a good day to celebrate, to donate blood, save lives.
Yeah.